What's up guys? This is Chef Morris. It's 11 a.m. here in Sicily. It's so hot. This morning, medyo nag-crave ako sa pusit. I'm planning to buy some pusit. Let's see what we can do with that. Pero gusto ko sana isama kayo. I wanna show you where I buy fresh fish in Sicily. Let's go! So hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Isla Fish and as you can see, marami tayong mga selection ng fish dito galing sa Mediterranean Sea. Binibenta ito dito sa Isla Fish para i-distribute sa buong town. Isa ito sa pinakakilala at trusted na market. Kita nyo naman sobrang linis at hindi lang yung mga fresh fish, meron din sila mga frozen fish and mga cured and processed fish. So meron sila ditong iba't ibang klase ng isda. Kita nyo meron ditong trilla or yung red mullet. Meron sila ditong yung maliliit na pusit. Meron din dito yung mga prawns and some langoustines. Nandito rin meron sila mga pusit. Siyempre hindi mawala yung kanilang sea urchin at marami pang iba. So sobrang daming selection. Hindi ko questo grosso. Sì. No, soltanto...
Come svuotato lo vuoi?
Sì, svuotato. Va bene così. Dito rin tayo kumukuha ng mga fish restaurant. Kita nyo naman, sobrang fresh. Talaga mapapagkatiwalaan sila and yung price is really good. So ito na yung pinamili natin today. Ito na siya. It's time to pay. Grazie mille. Ciao. Ciao. So let's wash our squid right now before everything else. Dry it with our kitchen towel. This is really fresh. So kanina tinanggal na nila yung balat ng ating squid. We will just clean it up later para mas malinis pa siya. And tinanggal na rin nila yung head and yung beak ng ating squid. So natira na lang yung kanyang tentacles. So it's about 250 grams of squid. So let's cut our squid into half. Our knife. Let's open it. Nakita nyo, hindi pa siya masyadong malinis. So let's take out this. Do it like that. we have to cook it while it's fresh kasi it's very delicate. Madaling masira ang squid. Let's core our squid para mas maganda siyang tingnan mamaya kapag naluto na natin siya. So, let's slice it pero hindi natin siya isa-slice through. So, parang lalagyan natin lang siya ng gilid. And then mamaya maganda yung kalalabasan niya. Let's cut it into small pieces. Salt natin. Right? Kita nyo yung scoring. So nice. So mamaya, pag naluto na siya, mas maganda pa yung kanyang kalalabasan. Ito sa ating top part ng squid. Score natin siya. So easy, so simple. Score it. So, ngayon ituturo ko sa iyo yung aking technique sa pagluluto ng squid sa aming restaurant na hindi natin siya i-direct saute right now. So, ang gagawin natin, kukuha tayo ng isang bowl. Lagay natin yung ating squid. Let's add some olive oil. We will slightly marinate our squid para lalo pa nating ma-enhance yung kanyang lasa. Tignan natin siya. Gagamit ako ng dahon ng laurel. Of course, 2 slices of ginger. So, hindi muna tayo maglalagay ng salt and pepper kasi we don't want to dry out our squid. Ngayon naman, i-prepare natin yung ating chickpea salad or yung ating garbanzos. Let's mince our garlic. I'm gonna put it there. Cherry tomatoes. Slice it into 4. Give it a really nice red color to our salad. Bell pepper. Carrots, also into small cubes. Now let's add some olives, some spring onion. Let's add some lemon juice, salt and pepper, and some olive oil to our salad. It's so simple, but this will bind our salad all together. Let's give it a toss. It's really nice and fresh. Really good. You can add more cheese, for example like feta cheese or some parmesan cheese. Papaikutin lang natin siya na sobrang bilis. As you can see, mabilis na mabilis lang yung ating cooking time ng squid. Tanggal na natin sa apoy yung ating squid, but we will still continue cooking our squid by covering it with some cling wrap or kung meron kayong kahit na anong takip. So, takpan lang natin siya dyan. And tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kanyang cooking process. May tendency na kapag na-overcook natin yung ating squid, nagiging rubbery siya. I can guarantee you that your squid will be very soft, but it's not gonna be undercooked nor overcooked. Tapusin lang natin yung kanyang cooking time for at least 5 minutes dito sa ating plate with some cling wrap. We are ready to plate our squid dish. So kung isa-serve nyo siya as appetizer, you can serve this for 4 people. You can also serve this as a second dish, but it will be good for 2 people. Our chickpea salad, like that. Let's put some squid in there. Oh, look at that. It's really, really nice. Let's put a little bit of our garnish. And additional salt, just a pinch of salt. And some pepper. Let's add some fat to our dish to make it a little bit glossy as well. Here is our dish, and so excited to try it. Let's do this. Let's dig in. So the squid is really, really soft and delicious. It's not salty. Of course, yung salad really complements the squid. Gustong-gusto ko yung freshness na nai-add ng ating salad sa ating squid. Guys, try nyo itong aking technique na sinasabi para kayo naman makapag-try sa inyong mga bahay. See you guys next time, and stay happy, stay blessed, and happy cooking everyone. Bye!